in high definition. This is KCAL 9 News at 2.
Researchers at Caltech say they are one step closer now to developing a very effective cancer treatment. KCAL 9's Rita Garcia has more on this exciting news.
We try to use drugs to treat cancer or any human disease. We can target maybe 5 to 10% of all proteins. Here we can target 100% of the proteins.
Dr. Antoni Ribas says it's not a cure for cancer, but a step forward in treatment. They're in the process of discovering how injecting cancer patients with small interfering RNA works in the human body. After the first round of clinical tests, they know the injections go after what's called a messenger RNA. It's found in every cancer cell, and it's also what duplicates the cancer.
The RNA is the middle step. So if we tone down the RNA for a protein, then the protein will not be there. If that protein is important for the cancer growth, then we're able to do something that turns off an important target in the cancer.
Right now, 15 patients have agreed to the study. They give doctors tissue. From there, it ends up in a lab like this one at Caltech. Jonathan Zuckerman is a first-year graduate. He explains a patient's tissue comes in a vial. From there, it goes into a machine called a tissue homogenizer. The rapid movement separates the liquid so that students like Zuckerman can do further research.
You take the liquid fraction from the other tube, put it into here, and again, centrifuge it. And the RNA will bind to this membrane here.
RNA comes from DNA. That's why it's studied. Dr. Ribas tells me while we're a long way from finding a cure for cancer, this could give researchers a better understanding of how to stop the cancer process from duplicating inside patients.
If we know that a certain protein is overacting in any human disease, Parkinsons or Alzheimer's, we would be able to tone it down or silence it by this nanoparticle delivery of siRNA.
Dr. Ribas tells me the injections are not an alternative to chemotherapy just yet. There's still a lot of testing and research to be done, but it's definitely a step forward in possibly learning how to control the growth of cancer inside of humans. In Westwood, I'm Rita Garcia, KCAL 9 News.
That's pretty amazing stuff there, isn't it?
Let's hope it works.